I'm going to show you how to make spaghetti in your Instant Pot. Hi guys, I have my 2 pounds of ground beef, lots of different seasonings, and I sliced some smoked sausage in there. We are going to brown this, and I got my Instant Pot set on saute. The main seasonings I have in my Instant Pot is salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, and slap your mama. We are going to brown this meat, and I have put in some green bell pepper as well. Now that I put my bell peppers in and my meat is finally brown, it's time to put my noodles in. I sliced them up and put them in different ways so that it can fit into the pot. I put my tomato sauce in there, and I add some more seasonings. The same seasonings I said before. I had added them with 3 cups of water. I had added to the pot after I put my tomato sauce and my seasonings. And that is it. Oh, and by the way, you do not want to put your spaghetti noodles in the same direction or they will stick. As you're making spaghetti in the Instant Pot, you want to make sure you coat your noodles and mix it around and make sure they all mixed in with the water and tomato sauce. Again, guys, it's pasta and you don't want it to stick. We're going to go ahead and start Instant Pot for 8 minutes. That's all it's going to take for the spaghetti, is only 8 minutes to cook. Do you look at here, guys? I made some delicious spaghetti. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. This is perfect spaghetti. It's not sticking or anything. It's not overcooked. It's not undercooked. 8 minutes, guys, on top of cooking the ground beef. This spaghetti is so good, delicious, and it's beautiful. I went ahead and did a close-up so you can see those noodles. Here's a beautiful close-up picture. I made this with a side of salad. Thank you for watching and enjoy.